Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the paper poinsettia, the hollyberry style poinsettia. All the materials will be listed below the video and a template for Cricut or other cutting machines, and if you don't have a machine, you could still use my template to print and hand cut. First, you'll need to cut 6 squares of yellow tissue paper about the height of your thumb. And then use a green marker to draw a circle in the center and stroke along the outside of the circle. You don't want to over-soak the tissue paper with your marker, so make sure to only stroke once every area. I also only color a little portion of it. You don't have to go all the way to the end. Do this to 6 of your yellow tissue paper squares. Next, add little red dots in the center in the circle. You could add multiple mini dots or one bigger dot and mix and match so they don't all look the same. Put that to the side for it to dry. Next, take a similar amount of squares. This, I just rip it out because they will be balled up. You will need 6 of these. Then take each tissue ball and add that to the center circle area and fold down the square like you are wrapping a lollipop. Make sure the top area you are able to see the red dots and the yellow circle, and the tissue ball is where the rest of the green is. The leftover tissue paper on the bottom is the leftover yellow part. While you are getting the centerpiece ready, my template will have a file listed Cricut Poinsettia page, and that file will be ready to upload onto your design space and set for a letter size paper cut. If you want to customize the sizes or reset up the page yourself, you could individually upload each file and size accordingly, but I thought the page setup file was nice to fit all on one page. Next, when the centerpieces are ready, glue that onto a thick floral wire. Next, grab the first set of 3, the smallest set, and with the stack, fold down the center. The fold doesn't have to perfectly meet. If you feel working one at a time is easier, then you could also just shape one at a time. For the next shape, I wanted to show you one at a time anyway, just to show you exactly how I fold the shapes. I have the half fold facing down, and I fan fold just twice since this size is so small, but make sure these fan folds are diagonal to the bottom. When you open it up, you should see the folds look like a letter V for violin and the fold down the middle. Then gently curl the ends out. You'll be doing this to every red leaf petal. You could also try doing them in a stack to go a little faster. Even for the holly-shaped leaves, just crease down the center, and it doesn't have to perfectly fold down the center, and do the letter V folds and curl the ends. I also have a different version poinsettia where it looks more like a standard leaf shape without the hollyberry look. I make those much smaller than these that you could try making, and you could also resize these to be smaller too, so you have a variety of sizes in one vase. Next, you'll need the green leaves. I like to do 6, but add more for a fuller look. Once you have all the pieces shaped, I will be using floral tape to wrap around the center and cover right below the green tissue balls. Then in order from smallest to biggest, start adding the leaves and floral tape the stem area of the petal. I don't really use glue to secure these. You'll need to tightly wrap the floral tape as you go to make sure the leaves don't shift and stay in place. I also like to work in increments of 3, so try to form a triangle and the next layer fit in between, crisscrossing every layer. You should have a smaller layer, medium layer, large layer, then one more large layer, then the leaves. Go down the stem as you go. If you want to make these poinsettias as a gift topper or to add on a Christmas tree, you could make it more flat and just add the layers right below. But if you want to add them in a pot or a vase, go for the more branchy look like a real poinsettia. Make sure to floral tape down the wire every leaf you add. There will be gaps between each layer. You could also make these in white, pink, or other colors and mix and match in a bundle. I also wanted to show you how to wrap them when you gift them. I added a single stem onto a terracotta pot, and using this craft wrapping paper, cut out a square a little bigger than the height of your pot. Place the pot in the middle and take each corner and wrap onto the pot and add a ribbon. They are going to be perfect gifts for the holidays. Please like this video below and subscribe. Thank you for watching.